My peep game. Y'all know I done made a lot of credit card videos. I done made a lot of videos on Experian, how to repair credit, how to get money. But this is both, man. This is both. Speaking of that, check out my playlist. I got money making videos and I also got credit videos, but this going on both. You dig what I'm saying? Experian has a card. If y'all don't know what Experian is, you have three credit bureaus: TransUnion, Equifax, Experian. Experian has their own debit card out now. I might have made a mistake and said credit card, but it's a debit card. I'm gonna tell you exactly what it is. A new digital checking account and a debit card that uses Experian Boost to scan your transaction and give your credit the eligible bill payments. Now, I tell people this all the time. Use your cash last. Listen to this. This is some good game. The money that you pay your bills with, the money that you go to the store and get gas with, you get coffee with, do it with your credit card. Just keep your debt to income ratio or your card utilization, whatever you want to call it, under 30%. You can keep it under 40%, but I don't like to tip the edge of the damn cliff. You get what I'm saying? But with that said, you guys, listen, Experian gonna do it all for you. It remind me of Chime. It's a credit builder and a debit card. You can't lose that way. And I just ordered mine. Have I used it yet? Nah, it just came out. You dig what I'm saying? But I'm finna get on to it. And if you want updated future videos of my review and what I do with it, and y'all know I'm gonna find some glitches. I'm gonna find a way to I'm gonna find a way to get it. You dig what I'm saying? So with that said, let me go ahead and break it down a little bit more for y'all. But it ain't much to say, man. The proof is in the pudding. It's right there in your face. So is Experian Smart Money card good? Yes, Experian Smart Money is a legitimate checking account and debit card. It's funded by the FDIC Bank. It insures up to deposits of $250,000. What bank is Experian? I just told y'all that, but it's a federal savings bank. It's called PER. You dig what I'm saying? What cards use Experian? American Express cards, Bank of America, Bank of America. One of them is a customized cash reward security credit card, and the other one is a travel reward credit card. I know I said Bank of America twice. I meant to. Chase, Freedom Flex, Chase, Safari, Preferred, Citi, Wells Fargo. I know y'all thinking, why is he reading out all these cards when we on here for Experian card? You don't need none of these cards when you got Experian. You don't need none of these cards when you have Experian. I mean, no need for the cards no more, gang. So anyway, what is the disadvantages of Experian? We ain't worried about that. These are questions that y'all ask me. What do I need to get an Experian account? Man, listen, I can't go over the little simple stuff. Is they trustworthy? Hey, Tab Flames. Are you global dripping or money harder? I'm both. Do you rap? Yes, I do. Tab Flames, yeah. Why do the banks use Experian? That ain't really important. Well, that wraps it up, you guys. I mean, I'm going to cop the card myself. I just ordered one. I have it on the way. They just want your simple information. They just want your date of birth. You know what I'm saying? You know the simple last four, the social, your address to ship the card. The simple thing. And it went through. No credit check. No hard inquiry. No soft inquiry. Nothing. You feel what I'm saying? Didn't ask nothing about my credit. I got good credit, but, you know, I'm pretty sure they don't do credit checks. So with that said, y'all have a blessed day. And if this something y'all get, let me know in the comment section how it worked for you, or let me know if you're not interested in it. But it's a gift to keep on giving. It's like having Kickoff and Credit Strong and Self Lender and Kovo all with one debit card. So like I said, I ain't forgot, pay with cash last, meaning go pay your credit cards down. That way you get accounted for everything you're doing, like that coffee in the morning, that gas every week, that you know, things that you do on the random, them bills you pay. Instead of coming out your pocket, you don't get credit for using cash. I want y'all to say preach in the comment section. You do not get credit for using cash. You only get credit for using credit. People forget that. They want to walk around with a big bankroll. Listen, you guys, it's more safer and more guaranteed and more better to have 3-4 credit cards on you that have a $5,000, $2,000, $3,000 limit than to sit there to have 10,000 of cash in your pocket. You're making yourself a target, and then on top of that, you got your life savings in your pocket, thinking you're doing something, trying to impress. I don't get it. Like, I don't get it, y'all. Y'all just don't know the power of credit. So take that cash that you trying to flaunt with and show it off to the bank. Show it off to Experian. Show it off and pay off your damn bills. You dig what I'm saying? That's a real boss. Why do stuff that you don't get credit for? I'd rather get credit for what I do. Give me my credit. I want all my credit. You dig what I'm saying? So with that said, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm going to keep coming with these videos. Subscribe right now. Money Hoarder, Global Drippin CEO, Tab Flames. I holler. I'm gone.